Hi, I'm Gary from easyNetworks and welcome to your demo of Cloud Phone. In the next 10 minutes we're going to have a look at our Cloud Phone system handsets and software, the platform and built-in reporting, and the user features. Before we get into the technical stuff, here's a quick reminder why we think you should choose easyNetworks for your Cloud Phone system. We've been supplying phone systems since 1995, so we know what we're doing. We're technical experts, not salespeople, so you'll always get honest advice about what's right for your business. And as part of the Easy family of brands, it's in our DNA to give you great value, which means straightforward, low prices without lengthy contracts. Whether you work from a single office, multiple premises, at home or on your mobile, Cloud Phone is the flexible platform for your business needs. In fact, everything you are going to see can be managed in-house by your own team, or we can do it all for you. So let's get started and have a look at which telephones and software you can use to make and receive calls. Cloud Phone will work with various handsets from the leading manufacturers. We have a range of Yealink handsets including the T42, which is a great entry-level VoIP phone, or the more premium and popular T46 with its full colour screen, and the W60, a cordless phone if you want to walk about. And here are our popular VVX range from Poly, the 150 being the entry-level handset with a grayscale screen, moving on to the colour screen of the 250, and our favourite, the 450, shown here with the optional expansion module so you can see the status of more users on your system, which would be perfect in reception. Let's have a closer look at our favourite, the VVX 450. It has dual gigabit Ethernet ports, which means your telephone and computer can share the same network socket. This can save you a fortune on unnecessary data cabling. It can be powered from one of the Ethernet ports if you have the right PoE switch, or you can buy the optional power supply. It has a USB and RJ11 port, so it's compatible with a wide selection of headsets, including Bluetooth. It has a lovely big colour display with 10 configurable buttons so you can see the status of other users and call them with a single press. It has buttons to control a call like hold, transfer, conference, along with other buttons to access the phone's menu where you can find your call history and other features such as call forwarding. It has a high quality built-in speaker for hands-free operation, and most importantly, you get crystal clear speech from Poly's HD voice. Now we've had a brief look at the VVX 450, let's see it in action. First, let's make a call to another extension.
Hi John, how can I help?
And now a call to an external number. There's no need to prefix with a 9.
Hi, it's John from ABC Limited. Can I speak to accounts, please?
Let's put the call on hold.
Thanks, I'm just going to pop you on hold for a second.
And transfer it.
I'm going to put you through to my manager Rebecca, who will help you.
Hi David, what can I do for you?
As you can see, this is a very easy to use handset with all the features you could possibly need. Now onto the softphone option. All users will get our free softphone app, which turns their computer or smartphone into their telephone extension. The beauty of this app is you can work from anywhere, at the office, on the road or at home. Many of our customers use a headset connected to their computer and choose not to have a desk phone cluttering up their desk. Let's have a look at the app. Using the softphone is exactly the same as the handset. You keep the same number, you present your work number when dialing out, and all calls are captured in reporting. Making a call is as simple as bringing up the dial pad, or you can dial directly from your call history, personal contacts, company directory or global address book. The softphone has an added feature which allows users to set their preferences directly from the app, so there's no need to log into the portal and even less work for the administrator. Now we've had a brief look at the handset and softphone, let's look at the app on a smartphone. One of the great advantages is you don't need to give out your personal mobile number anymore, because you can have a single number for all your devices. In fact, your mobile number is never shown to the person you are calling. If your business uses Microsoft Teams, the Teams app can be your telephone extension. We just love Teams at easyNetworks. It means all our staff collaborate wherever they are. The integration with Cloud Phone makes Teams the single app for all our communications. You've had a quick look at the options for making calls, and with Cloud Phone you decide: physical handsets, the softphone app or Microsoft Teams. You can mix and match to create the perfect blend for your users, and you can even switch devices in the middle of a call. We also have an optional application called Integrator, which enables you to combine your telephone with popular CRM software. So you can click to dial inside your CRM and also screen pop customer details of an incoming call before you answer. You're always prepared when your customer calls you. Now let's lift the bonnet and have a look at the platform. I'm going to open a web browser and log in as a company admin. It's simple to use, or we can do it all for you. First, we're presented with a dashboard which shows system activity and reporting. There are many types of report available. Let's have a look at how many calls were received yesterday so we can identify our busy periods. It's a company-wide report on all traffic for inbound calls of any kind, and then we'll select a date range. You will get a list of the calls and you can export and store the data. Now let's have a look at site-wide settings. First we select a site, then click Features, and we'll start with Call Groups section. In Hunt Groups we can set up a group for each department, which is allocated an extension number and a phone number. In Assign Agents we select the group members. In the settings we can specify how their phones will ring, such as all at once or one at a time. If the call does not get answered within a specific time, then we can set up rules to divert to another group, user or voicemail. An auto attendant can answer an incoming call and play a greeting, giving your caller the option to select a group, department or extension. In this example, we have the main incoming number set to play this greeting called Day Message and offer a choice of 3 departments. You can set up different rules for when your business is closed, including routing to voicemail so you will never miss a call. The contact section here is the home of your company address book, and we can import a list of numbers for you in minutes. Calling plans allows you to bar calls such as international and premium numbers, which can be done on a per user basis. In Music on Hold, you can choose the default hold music, or we can upload a custom file. We offer a professional studio produced message as an optional extra. Go to our website and try out our mixer.
Thank you for holding. Your call is important to us and we'll be with you shortly.
And now let's look at users by clicking on the Employees tab. Search gives us a list of all the users. We allocate each user an extension number and a phone number. Let's click on a user and have a look around. We'll start by clicking Features. A whole host of mobility features allow you to work remotely. We especially like the simultaneous ring feature, which enables you to pair other phones and have them all ring at the same time. Great if you never want to miss a call. The call control section configures your handset, for example, forwarding calls to another number on no answer. The contact section is where you save your personal phone book. Every user can have voicemail and choose a personal greeting or use the default message. Options include sending a voicemail recording to your email. If we go to Feature Assignment, this is where the admin can restrict features to users on an individual basis. As you can see, the system is highly configurable, and we have just given you a brief look at the options. Bolt-ons include advanced call reporting and full call center functionality, call recording and CRM integration. However you use your phone system, at £10 per user per month, CloudPhone has the power to revolutionise your business. You can take advantage of everything CloudPhone has to offer from the start, or it can grow and adapt as your business needs change. CloudPhone is always secure, always online and always up to date. Migration is painless with no disruption, as we configure everything in advance to ensure a smooth transition. There are no line costs, no maintenance or upgrade fees, and calls to UK landlines and UK mobiles are free of charge, and you'll get it all on a simple 30-day agreement. Talk to our technical team to get the ball rolling. We look forward to hearing from you.
VoIP telephony has allowed for much more cost-effective voice solutions, as well as greater oversight of stats and figures that we can use to enhance other areas of the business. I definitely recommend easyNetworks for any of the range of solutions they provide. We've certainly had a very great experience here at AFC Bournemouth.
Seaward Group, we're a main franchise dealer for Renault, Dacia, Mitsubishi, Suzuki. Having the phone set up, for me personally, 2 locations, 2 offices and home as a 3rd office. But having those 3 that are identical is fantastic. Just works. Support package-wise from Easy Team, I've got to say, it's about 11 out of 10 for me. How can I not recommend easyNetworks? easyNetworks, fantastic team of people. They've given us fantastic service, fantastic comm system, fantastic telephone system that does everything we want and more. I see a relationship is fantastic.